Hello from Seoul. Needless to say, the combination of chicken and rice is amazing. But if you're sick and tired of eating the same chicken and rice over and over, you really need this one. This is a very traditional Korean dish, but in my opinion, one of the greatest chicken dishes of all time. Today, we're gonna make Korean chicken rice with this doenjang, Korean soybean paste. But you know what? Even though it's a super delicious and traditional dish, for some reason, there are actually quite a lot of Korean people who don't even know this dish. Yes, this is the perfect time to show off your knowledge of Korean cuisine to your Korean friends. You're welcome. For this, you will need chicken. That's it. Seriously, I'm not kidding. That's all you need. But if you serve it with some rice and some kimchi, trust me, you're gonna have one of the most delicious and satisfying meals that you ever had. What? No kimchi in your fridge? Don't worry about it. We can make something similar with our love, green onion. Maybe that could be a better option for this dish. Alright, let's prep the chicken first. Here, I've got 600 grams of boneless skin on chicken thighs. You could also use chicken breast in this recipe, but you get a lot more flavor from the chicken thigh, so I strongly recommend using a chicken thigh with skin on. Before we marinate the chicken, of course we could cut it into bite-sized pieces, but since I want to keep its beautiful moisture and juiciness, I'm just gonna trim off any excess fat. Now let's make the marinade. In a small container, add 3 tablespoons of Korean soybean paste, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of honey or corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, a few shakes of black pepper, and give it a good stir. That's it! So simple, right? Once it's well mixed, pour it over the chicken and give it a good massage. Now we're just gonna cover and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. But if you don't mind spending a little bit more time, then let it sit in the fridge overnight. It will pay you back with amazing flavor. What? You can't wait that long because you're too hungry? Well, I could show you thousands of under 5-minute recipes, but today's sponsor, Doenjang Dakgui, will do the best job for you. We've done so many quick and easy recipes, but this Doenjang Dakgui is another level. All you need for delicious tteokbokki, spicy Korean rice cake, is just 3 minutes. You don't buy it? Then let me prove it to you. Open the cup, add rice cakes, soup base, water, and stir. And all you need to do is microwave it for 3 minutes. I'm not kidding. Seriously, that's it. Plus, they can be stored at room temperature, so you can just keep them wherever you want, which means you don't have to waste space in your fridge. What? You can't handle spicy food? Don't worry about it. With this cheese tteokbokki, you won't have any problem with the spiciness, so you can enjoy delicious tteokbokki even with your kids. What? You're not afraid to take on challenges? So you want it to be spicier? Then this hot spicy tteokbokki will be the perfect option for you. But I'm pretty sure you'll be very humble after trying this, just like Claire. So when you try this hot spicy tteokbokki, be sure to pair it up with this cool piece drink. It tastes good and will save your ass. If you'd like to try one of these, please visit their website in my description. You wanna experience the real taste of Korean street food? Doenjang Dakgui will be with you. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Doenjang Dakgui. This time, let's make pamuchim, Korean green onion salad. Take a big handful of green onions and cut them into strips, about 2 inches long. And if the white parts of the green onions are too thick, you can cut them in half or quarter, like this. What? You think it's hard to get green onions? That's okay. You can substitute with garlic chives or cucumber, and they'll be fantastic too. So just use what you have. That's the best. And if you want to make it fancier like the one you get at a restaurant, then julienne some mild red chili. The combination of red and green will look more beautiful and more appetizing. But if you don't like anything spicy, black pepper could be a good option too. Now let's make the dressing. In a small container, add 1 tablespoon of Korean chili pepper flakes, 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, half a tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce and give it a good mix. Once that's done, pour it over the green onions and gently toast them together like handling a baby. That's it! When you run out of kimchi, try this instead. It'll be super satisfying. Alright, we're set. Let's get cooking. To a large pan, add half a tablespoon of oil and use paper towels to coat the bottom of the pan and heat it over medium heat. Once it gets nice and hot, place the chicken skin side down and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the chicken is nicely browned on the bottom, flip and cook the other side. Because of the marinade, it can burn quite easily, so make sure you keep an eye on this and move the pieces around if it's needed. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with some charcoal or something. And for information, it tastes even better if it's grilled over charcoal, just like the traditional way. So if you have an awesome outdoor grill, please give that a try. It'll be so tasty, that's gonna stay in your mind forever. When the chicken is cooked through, take them out and slice them up like bite-sized pieces. How does it look? It just looks so juicy and packed full of flavor, right? I just want to skip Claire's taste test and eat it all myself, but that's kind of a highway to hell. So let's go ahead and plate this up. First, let's put some rice on a serving plate. Of course, we could just dump the rice onto the plate, but if we use a bowl, it looks a lot prettier, right? Remember, what looks good, tastes good. And then add a generous amount of chicken and our beautiful green onion salad. What? You feel like something is missing? Then sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds. But if you still feel like it needs to be decorated, garnish it with some black sesame seeds and cucumber. Alright, it's really done. Let's go to our taste tester.
Claire?
와, 아주 잔뜩 푸짐하니 맛있어 보이는구만. 잘 먹겠습니다. 언뜻 봤었을 땐 데리야끼 치킨으로 보이는데 이 파무침이 아니야 라고 나한테 말해주는 것 같아. Alright, it looks super delicious. Let's give it a try. 와, 한눈에 봤었을 때 치킨의 육즙 한가득이다. 얘네들이 수분을 한가득 머금고 있어. 빨리 먹어봐야지. I want this one because it has nice char on it. Woohoo! Cheers! 오, 냄새 기가 막히네. 일단 닭이 엄청 촉촉하고 겉에 있는 껍질은 자기도 알다시피 내가 닭껍질을 별로 안 좋아하지만 그럼에도 불구하고 약간 바삭하면서도 쫀득거리는 게 그 맛이 예술이야. 그리고 말해 뭐해, 된장으로 이걸 매리네이드 했잖아. 그래서 그런지 진짜 좀 짭조름하면서 그 입맛에 쫙쫙 끌어주는 그 맛이 제대로 치킨에 잘 배었어. 너무 맛있어. 하나만 더 먹고 얘기해보자. More bites. 껍질에서 나오는 그 지방이 닭을 막 코팅을 해줘서 그게 막 감칠맛을 샥샥 끌어주는 것 같아. 이거 닭가슴살로 하면 이 맛 그대로 재현하긴 힘들 것 같아. 무조건 껍질 있는 닭다리살로 하는 게 맛을 제대로 끌어올릴 수 있는 방법인 것 같아. 와, 너무 맛있어. This time, let's try with our love green onions. 평상시 땐 이렇게까지는 안 하지만 오늘은 알록달록 빨간 고추까지 예쁘게 만들었네. 맛있어. 새콤하니 너무 맛있는 데다가 파의 그 향긋한 향이 닭고기의 맛을 제대로 끌어준다. So good. Get a little bit of rice and some chicken and then green onion. Looks so lovely, right? Cheers! 따뜻한 밥이랑 먹으니까 더 완벽해졌어. 너무 맛있다. You can't go wrong with this. So good. Really. 맛있네.
Today, I showed you how to make Doenjang Dakgui, one of the most delicious Korean chicken dishes of all time. How was it? It's super simple and easy to make, right? I still can't believe a lot of people are missing out on this incredible dish, and I don't want you to be one of them. So please, go grab your apron and run to your kitchen. If you do, you'll make one of the greatest chicken dishes in history. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.